Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about VLAN. And what is the VLAN? VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. So what does it mean? Suppose if you are having local area network and if you are making logical division in that network, okay? So that network is called VLAN, which stands for Virtual Local Area Network. Maybe if you are having different local area network, if you take some of the nodes of those networks and if you group them together, so that will call VLAN. So we are going to implement VLAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. So for implementing it, I'm going to take two switches. This is one switch and this is another switch, and I'm going to take the end devices. Let's take, for this I'm going to take four end devices. Okay, I've taken 4 end devices for switch 0, and let's take 4 more end devices for switch 1. Okay, so I taken this one as well. Okay, perfect. I taken 4 devices. Now I need to connect them. So to connect, firstly connect the switch 0 with switch 1. So it has been connected now. And for connecting this, I am going to use this cable instead of this. I am going to use copper crossover cable. Okay, so fast Ethernet 01 going to connect with fast Ethernet 01. Okay, it is connected, and for this I am going to take this cable, and now fast Ethernet 0, it has been connected. Okay, it also has been connected. So let's take automatic choose connection type, so that it is not going to take too much time to connect. It has been connected. Okay, it is last. Okay, now we had connected them, and if you hover on this cable, you will find out that switch are connected at port FA01. For switch 0 and switch 1, these are same. So click on the switch 0. Now go to config, and FA01, you need to make it trunk. So in mode, you will make it trunk instead of access. So repeat the same process for this. Go to F fast Ethernet 01, and instead of access you have to put trunk. Okay, now we had done. So what I'm trying to say, let's choose the color. Suppose I have taken this color. I will make 2 departments over here. One will be, there would be 2 departments. One will be for sales and another will be for HR. So okay, I had removed that. Okay, so I want to remove this circle. Okay, I had removed that. I was making circle. It was fill circle which I was making. Okay, and so this is going to be our sales department, and this is going to our sales department. They will be in same network. Okay, these network will represent a particular VLAN, and I'm going to take another color, and this will represent HR, and this also will represent HR. So what I'm trying to say that this one will be VLAN 10 something, and this is going to be VLAN 20, and here also it is going to be VLAN 20, and here it is also going to be VLAN it's going to be VLAN 10. Now we have to put VLAN 10. So firstly click on the switch. Okay, go to VLAN databases. Okay, in database you have to put VLAN 10, which stands for sales, by the way. Okay, let's add it. It had been added here. Now go add 20 and put HR over here. Now HR. Now we had add, and same process we have to repeat the switch 1 as well. Go to config VLAN database and put 10 stands for sales, and okay, here 20 which stands for HR. Okay, now we had done. So I have to put the IP addresses for this network specifically. Okay, remove it. Let it be. Okay, for this network, the address is going to be 192.168.10. If it is VLAN 10, let's use 10 only. And for this as well, it is going to 192.6.168.10.0. And for this, it is going to be 192.168.20.0 or .0. Okay, now for this as well, I have to put the same, say .20.0. Okay, so let's assign the IP addresses now. Okay, so firstly choose PC1. Okay, in PC1, go to desktop IP configuration. In IP configuration, I had to put 192.168. It is not sales, it is HR. Okay, so let's take 20.2. It is 20.2. Now it has been taken. Okay, now come here, desktop, click over here, it is going to be 3. Okay, for this as well, let's put for PC6, here it is going to be 4 something. Okay, now for this, it is going to be 5. Okay, it is done. It is done. Now come to here, PC2 desktop, and here it is going to be 10.0 or not 0, it is going to be 2. Let's copy it. Okay, now PC3 desktop, and it is going to be .3, and it is going to be .4. It is going to be .5. Okay, we had done. Now we have to what we have to do, we have to check the cables which is connected with the PCs. Let's come to switch 0, and over on the first cable, it is FA02 and it is FA03. FA02 and FA03 is connecting VLAN 10. So go to switch 0 and fast 02 stands for VLAN 10. Let's select checkbox 10. For fast Ethernet 03 as well, it is sales. Okay, so fast Ethernet 04, which is this one, is going to be HR, and fast Ethernet 05 also going to be HR. Okay, if you check these cables, it is fast Ethernet 05 and fast Ethernet 04. Okay, now come to here, it is FA04 and FA05. So let's click here. FA04 is going to be HR as well, and FA05 also is going to be HR. Now come to FA02. Obviously, it is going to be sales, and FA03 also going to be sales. Okay, now we had set up our VLAN. Okay, so you can see this VLAN 10 and this VLAN 10, they are having VLAN ID 10. Okay, if we want to send the data from this VLAN here to here, suppose PC2, PC4, if we want to send the data, it will reach. If we want to send the data PC2 to PC6, PC7 or PC1 or PC0, it will not reach because they are in different VLAN. So let's check first, are they reaching in their network? Okay, it is successful. Let's send here to here. Is it successful? Okay, now if I try to send from this to this, it is successful. Yeah, it is successful. Now if I try to send in different VLAN, is it successful? No, it is going to fail. Okay, let's try here to here. Is it successful? No, it is also failed. So you can see we had logically divided our nodes. They are in different networks. Okay, we are logically divided them. So this is we call VLAN, which is virtual local area network. Okay, I hope you understood. And in next video we will discuss about VLAN, and we will learn that how one VLAN, if we are in suppose VLAN 10, how to send the data from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Okay, in next video we will look out at that video. Okay, so for sake of now, this was about VLAN. We will meet in next video. Thank you.